Hello, I'm Kushidhani. I'm a engineer by profession. I'm being biotechnology. I'm graduated from VUP Engineering College in 2021. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about biotechnology and its area. So generally, when people say biotechnology, people think about pharmaceutical only. So that's why I'm making this video to make people aware about every sector of biotechnology. So what do you think about biotechnology when you hear it? Please let me know in the comments. So what is biotechnology? It is a field of science that involves the use of living organisms, cells and biological process to develop new products and technology. In general or in simple terms, we can say that uh, whatever the biological process is occurring in the world or in human body or any organism's body, biotechnology is studying those biological processes and uh, and putting it into application for the betterment of humankind, so that we can grow and we can be future ready. Generally, agenda or goal of biotechnology is to uh, betterment of humankind, to make a world or future healthy, prosperous, and compatible compete for the future conditions. So let's go into the topic. It includes wide range of techniques and applications such as genetic engineering, bioprocessing, and bioinformatics. So these methods or application are for diagnosis or the process for production, or it can be also used in research. I mean, these are the uh, area as far as I have understood. So engineering, bioprocessing, and bioinformatics. Genetic engineering is nothing but a branch of biotechnology which focuses on genes and what is their behavior. I mean, it focuses mostly on uh, genes and their behavior and how to apply certain gene to any industry of biotechnology. When it comes to bioprocessing, it is nothing but whatever the process is occurring in the body, or whatever the process is occurring outside the body. As bio means uh, whatever the nature is around us. Bio means not only a body. Bio means whatever the nature around us, like environment, it also comes, it's also biotechnology. I mean, it applies biotechnology. The nature itself is as per my opinion, is extreme or best biotechnologies. So, uh, biotechnology has many practical applications in medicines, agriculture, environmental science, energy production, and other industries. But we are only aware about medicine or pharmaceutical. To be mentioned over here, pharmaceutical and biopharmaceutical are different. Pharmaceutical are the products or process which focuses on curing the disease by chemical agents. But biopharmaceutical is based on biochemical agents. Agents can be hazardous to anybody, as we have noted in our history. Like in many cases, we have seen that somebody has cancer and they took pills for curing it and they lost their hair. So biotechnology focuses that they don't lose their hair by chemotherapy specifically. Some of the key areas of the biotechnology research include the development of new drugs, therapies, and creation of genetically modified organisms. It is also focused on biofuels and other renewable energy sources so that future can be green also. There are mainly 8 sectors which are comes under biotechnology, like medicinal biotechnology, agricultural biotechnology, industrial biotechnology, environmental biotechnology, marine biotechnology, food biotechnology, forensic biotechnology, and bioinformatics. So in medicinal biotechnology, uh, there are research or in production of drugs, new drugs, or it can be improvement of previously developed one. So they discover, design, and develop new drugs and therapeutics, and they also develop the diagnostic kits. Like your pregnancy kit is ELISA as per biotechnology. So by that you can understand that what is the range of medical biotechnology. It involves the application of molecular biology, genetics, microbiology, biochemistry, and other related disciplines to develop new drugs and therapies. Medicinal biotechnology plays a critical role in the healthcare industry as it helps to advance the understanding of disease and the underlying mechanisms, and enables the development of targeted therapies that are more effective and have fewer side effects than traditional drugs. As I have said that uh, about chemotherapy, that people loses their hair after chemotherapy. So biotechnology focus that people don't have that loss or any other kind of loss, and how they understand the mechanism, that how disease got evolved or how disease came into existence, what made it, how can it be cured or not, is there a need of advancement or not. So some of the key areas of research in medicinal biotechnology include gene therapy, in that using genetic engineering uh, or to correct or replace faulty genes in order to treat genetic disorders, like it can be diabetes or any other disease, like you can have some kind of skin disease which is not curable. So by genetic engineering you can identify the disease, I mean how that disease got evolved or how that disease came into your body. By proteomics, we study the structure and function of proteins which are involved in disease. Antibody engineering involves developing of new antibodies or modifying existing ones to treat a range of disease, including cancer and autoimmune disease. If we don't know about, I mean, if you do, uh, guys don't know about cancer, then it is one kind of autoimmune disease, like certain gene stopping the cancer uh, works, I mean don't work nicely or uh, dies, I mean certain gene stops working which is stopping the cancer, so then cancer occurs. uh, delivery systems, designing new methods for delivering drugs to specific part of the body such as nanoparticle or liposomes. We can also take example of cancer in this also. Uh, like as I have observed, there are research is going on uh, cancer. In that, they are developing certain drug and or certain therapy by which they will target a specific gene which is causing cancer, and they will what that is, yeah, remove that. Personalized medicine. Uh, the field, I mean, personalized medicine is evolving, or it can be said that it is future of the biotechnology or medicinal biotechnology, to be specific, uh, using genomic information to tailor treatments to individual patients based on their genetic makeup. Like one medicine can be suitable for my body type, but cannot be someone else. Like Ramesh's fever, uh, not general fever, but uh, he is prone to fever too much. It can be in 1 month, or any 2 months. He gets fever. So it can be also possible to develop a medicine for him by personalized medicine field. Overall, my medicinal biotechnology is an exciting and rapidly evolving field that has potential to revolutionize the way we diagnose and treat disease. Let's come to agricultural biotechnology. It focuses on uh, uh, application of scientific techniques to improve the genetic traits of plants and animals used in agriculture. Genetic traits, if we say that certain plant has some trait, like your yeah, your potato has certain quality, and it is not found in other plants. Like it has some carbohydrates more, or it is grown in, I mean, it grows only in specific area. So by agricultural biotechnology, it is possible that we can grow it in the field, which in it, in simple terms, if I say that that potato can be grown in desert also, where it is not possible to grow anything. But with the help of agricultural biotechnology, it is possible. But there are researches going on. The potato example is just example. I don't know it is possible or not, but researches are currently going on this topic. There are several techniques used in agricultural biotechnology, including genetic engineering, marker assisted selection, and gene editing. So aim of the agricultural biotechnology is to create crops and livestock that are more productive, resilient, and nutritious, and that can better withstand pest and disease and environmental stresses. As I have said, that potato. So I forgot to mention about pest and the biofertilizer thing. So by genetic engineering, it goes on insertion of foreign genes into the DNA of an organism to add or modify its characteristic, like uh, like potato, which is growing in Satara, and I want to grow it into Rajasthan. So I will take sample, and I will check its genetic makeup, and I will exclude. I mean, I will take that gene out, and I will place it into the uh, other potato or other potato seed, so that its genetic makeup will be changed, and that's how it will grow into the Rajasthan. So that's how genetic engineering works into agricultural biotechnology. By marker assisted selection, it uh, focuses on a certain site of the genome that I will change certain part of the genome. Like I can check certain sequence of potato in its genetic makeup, and it might grow in Rajasthan. And by gene editing, uh, it means that the makeup, genetic makeup, uh, will be changed, like above both engineering and marker assisted gene. Actually, both of three of them are same, but uh, varies by the application. Like last one, gene editing, it it can edit the whole genome also, uh, which is not application of marker assisted selection. But genetic engineering can involve both of this marker assisted selection and gene editing. The use of agricultural biotechnology has led to development of the crops that are resistant to herbicide, insect and disease, as well as crop with improved nutritional content and shelf life. It has also led to the development of livestock with improved growth rate, disease resistance, and meat quality. However, agricultural biotechnology is not without controversy. Some critics are concerned about the potential environment and health risk associated with genetically modified organisms, as well as the impact of GMOs on traditional farming practices and small-scale farmers. As you might have observed that there is a meat quality over here. So by meat quality, they mean that they also develop organism, and they also develop techniques for uh, uh, animal farming. Uh, I hope you might have, you are familiar with the term animal farming or animal agriculture to be precise. Others argue in the GMO case that agricultural biotechnology is necessary to feed the growing global population and to adapt the challenges of climate change. Overall, it focuses on uh, meeting the world hunger and solve it. And they also focus on developing nutritional value of the plant. Overall, the use of agricultural biotechnology is complex and ongoing debate that involves considerations of science, ethics, and policies. That's all for agricultural biotechnology. Industrial biotechnology. If I conclude about industrial biotechnology, as far as I understand, every sector of biotechnology comes under this specific sector of biotechnology, because every sector comes under industry by some means. Like medicinal biotechnology also comes under industrial biotechnology, as there will be particular industry dedicated to it. So it is the application of biotechnology to industrial processes, which involves the use of living organisms or their products to produce useful products or services. And it encompasses a wide range of applications such as biopharmaceuticals, biofuels, bioplastic, bioremediation. One of the main advantages of industrial biotechnology is its potential to reduce the environmental impact of industrial processes, as it often uses renewable resources and produces less waste and pollution than traditional manufacturing methods. Additionally, industrial biotechnology can improve the efficiency and cost effectiveness of industrial processes, leading to increased productivity and profitability of companies. Example of industrial biotechnology application include using microorganisms to produce enzymes that can break down cellulose into sugars, which can then be used to produce biofuel such as ethanol or biodiesel. Another example is the use of genetically engineered microorganisms to produce proteins for use in biopharmaceutical. In environmental biotechnology, we know and we study about what are the potential risks to human health by environment, uh, climate change, and environment change, whatever you consider. And it also studies and develops method to reduce the risk to environment and mankind both, so that it can be harmony. It is the branch of biotechnology that deals with the use of microorganisms and the enzymes to solve environmental problems. This field encompasses a wide range of scientific disciplines, including microbiology, genetics, biochemistry, ecology, and environmental science. It is focused on the development of sustainable solutions for the environmental problems such as waste management, water treatment, air pollution, soil remediation. One important aspect of environmental biotechnology is bioremediation, which involves microorganisms to break down and remove pollutants from the environment. I came across one case by reading this. I remember the case in which Professor Anand Mohan Chakravarti developed a microorganism, or we can say superbug kind of organism, which was going to be used for oil leakage solving. Whenever the oil leaks, it pollutes the water around it. So for solving it, they develop a microorganism, and they uh, wanted to patent it, but uh, it was not. I mean, it can't be patented at that time, because as per patent rules, there can't be any microorganisms which can be patented, or it can be considered as novel according to their rules. But fortunately, after giving tough fight, Anand Mohan Chakravarti won the case. But his product, the microorganism, has to be what it's yeah, it has to be recollected, or uh, stopped. I mean, it has to be stopped uh, from come into the market, because there was no solution for the growth of microorganism. Like if oil spills at some home also, that, and we uh, inject or give the microorganism that environment. I mean, we put the microorganism in that oil. It will grow and it will control the oil. But what will control the microorganism, what was not uh, decided. So, Professor Chakrabarty did very well by developing certain organism, but he didn't add any solution for the growth of microorganism, which was very necessary. So he has to recall his or revoke his patent. Bioremediation can be used to clean up contaminated soil, water, and air, and is a cost-effective and environmentally friendly alternative to traditional remediation methods. Another important area of environmental biotechnology is bioenergy production. Like I said earlier, that the biotechnology also focuses on green energy. Microorganisms can be used to convert organic waste into energy through processes such as anaerobic digestion. It produces biogas that can be used as a fuel source. Other applications of environmental biotechnology includes the production of biodegradable plastics, the development of environmentally friendly cleaning, the production use of microorganisms to monitor environmental pollution levels. Overall, it is an important field that has potential to make a significant contribution to the development of sustainable solutions for environmental problems. Marine biotechnology. So, the most ignored biotechnology sector is here. It is the use of marine organisms such as algae, bacteria, fungi, and animals for various applications in the medicine, agriculture, energy production, and other industries. It involves the study of these organisms and their biochemical, and physiological properties, as well as the development of technologies to extract and utilize their useful compounds. Some examples of marine biotechnology applications include developing new drugs. As marine organisms produce a wide range of bioactive compounds that have potential application in the pharmaceutical industry. For example, some marine organisms produce compound with anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. So, whatever the product will be extracted will come under both medicinal and marine biotechnology both. But research on it will conducted in this marine biotechnology only, and it will go to the medicinal biotechnology after some conclusion or after some breakthrough in that research. Uh, Another example of marine biotechnology application, aquaculture. Marine biotechnology can be used to develop new technologies and techniques for aquaculture, which is the farming of aquatic organisms such as fish, shrimp, shellfish. This can help to improve the sustainability of seafood production. Bioremediation. Certain marine organisms have the ability to break down the pollutants in the water, which can help to clean up contaminated sites, energy production. So, I came to energy production too only. Bioremediation is, in simple term, is nothing but the uh, removing of contaminants from soil or water, nothing else. Energy production. Marine organisms can be used to produce biofuels such as biodiesel and bioethanol, as well as other forms of renewable energy such as wave and tidal power. Food and nutrition. Marine organisms can be a source of valuable nutrients such as omega 3 fatty acids, which have health benefits for humans. Overall, it has the potential to provide solutions to some of the world's most pressing challenges, such as food security, climate change, and human health. Food biotechnology, the second most uh, whatever what yeah second most respected field in the biotechnology field as far as I observed. Food biotechnology refers to the application of biotechnology techniques to develop and improve food products, processes, and systems. It involves the use of uh, living organisms such as bacteria, yeast, and enzymes to modify composition, texture, taste, and nutritional value of food products. And it is also ensured in this biotechnology to make food safe to be eat by anybody. One of the example of food biotechnology is genetic engineering, which involves the modifying genetic makeup of crops or livestock to enhance their characteristics such as resistance to pest or disease, improve their nutritional content, and increased yield. This technology has been used to develop crops that are resistant to herbicides and insects, as well as crops with enhanced nutrient content such as golden rice. Another example is fermentation, which is the process of using microorganisms such as yeast and bacteria to transform food substrate into more desirable products. Fermentation is commonly used in production of fermented food such as yogurt, cheese, sauerkraut, as well as in the production of alcoholic beverages such as beer and wine. Uh, this kind of one of the example of food biotechnology is our homemade products also. We make yogurt or curd at home comes under food biotechnology. Food biotechnology also includes the use of enzymes to improve food processing, such as use of enzymes to improve the texture of bread and to tenderize meat. Overall, food biotechnology offers many potential benefits, including improved food safety, increased food production, enhanced nutritional value, and reduced environmental impact. However, it is important to carefully assess the safety and regulatory implications of new food biotechnology processes before they are adopted. Uh, if you guys know are not aware about it or aware about it, I don't know, but vegan products are developed because of this field of biotechnology to be mentioned over here. Forensic biotechnology, which is also some of the uh, rarely discussed field of biotechnology. So it is a branch of biotechnology that applies molecular biotechnology techniques such as DNA analysis to the investigation of criminal or civil cases. It involves the use of biological materials such as blood, semen, hair, saliva, tissue, and identify individuals to determine the cause of death and provide evidence in legal cases like some thief got wounded and his blood uh, is on site of the theft. So by that we can identify the thief, like who is the thief, uh, where he can, where he lives. But it comes under advanced field of biotechnology, which is under research for now. Forensic biotechnology is used in a wide range of applications, including criminal investigation, paternity testing, identifications of victims of disasters and accidents, and life forensics. DNA analysis is the most commonly used technique in forensic. Biotechnology, it has revolutionized the field of forensics by providing highly reliable and accurate evidences in criminal cases. Other techniques used in forensic biotechnology include fingerprint analysis, blood typing, serological testing. These techniques can be used to determine the presence or absence of suspect at a crime scene, link a suspect to a particular weapon or piece of evidence, and provide information about the victim, suspects, physical characteristics such as blood type and other genetic traits. It has become an essential tool in modern criminal investigation, and its use is expected to continue to expand in future as new technologies are developed and refined. The future is unknown, but I'm also sure about it that the field forensic biotechnology will also evolve with the time, and it will come in demand in future. Bioinformatics, the most prestigious uh, after pharmaceutical, biopharmaceutical or medicinal biotechnology, is this field, bioinformatics. The field itself is future ready, but there are also researches going on this field. So it is a field of study that combines computer science, statistics, and biology to analyze and interpret biological data. It also involves mathematics, but uh, as statistics comes under mathematics, so mathematics comes indirectly in this. So, by going further, it involves uh, developing and applying computational methods to collect, store, process, and analyze large biological data sets such as DNA sequences, protein structures, and gene expression profiles. To be mentioned over here, it also helps in forensic biotechnology, and by this field, or many researchers are sure that forensic biotechnology will evolve because of this field. The name is bioinformatics. Bioinformatics plays a crucial role in many areas of biology, including genomics, proteomics, transcriptomics, and metabolomics. By using computational tools and algorithms, researchers can identify patterns, predict functions, and gain insights into the underlying mechanisms of biological processes. Some common bioinformatics techniques include the sequence alignment, genome assembly, gene prediction, phylogenetic analysis, and protein structure prediction. Bioinformatic tools are also used to design experiments, develop new drugs, and complex machines. Overall, it has become an essential tool for biological research as it enables researchers to analyze and interpret the vast amounts of data generated by modern experimental techniques. Here are different zones of biotechnology by the color. Red biotechnology is for medicine, green is for agriculture, white is for industrial, blue is for marine biotechnology, yellow is for food, gray is for environmental, brown is for bioinformatics, and orange is for energy sector. But the rarely discussed field is dark biotechnology, which involves bioweapon, illegal genetic engineering practices, or biowar, or any kind of uh, mm, use of biotechnology methods or techniques to develop a certain organism which has potential harm to environment, mankind, or anybody. I mean, it has ethical issues. So whatever the unethical processes comes in the biotechnology area comes under that biotechnology. If you want to know about it, let me know in the comments. Okay, thank you.